students, we will begin with the next concept, that is what? Objectives of financial management or a financial manager. Okay, now what are the objectives? It is categorized into two objectives, that is basic and one is other objective. In basic objective, what we are going to learn? Profit maximization and wealth maximization. We'll see what is profit maximization. Profit maximization is what? Every industry or a firm which is built up will think on the first basic objective. They will think what? Now, profit. Okay, so profit can be earned by what all things? By selling more or the things. Okay, they can earn a profit, but their quality should be good. So that is what has been explained over here. Okay, clear? So the accumulated profits enable business to face risk like fall in prices, competition from other units, adverse government policies. These all will help out when they have good sort of profits. What is adverse government policy? Suddenly a government changes the policy, and at that time the profit whatever they have earned, it can be useful. Now, the what are the arguments in favor of profit maximization? Arguments in favor means what? Merits or advantages. It is a rational objective of any business, okay, or a firm to earn a profit. Okay, rational objective in the sense anyone who develops the firm or a business, they will think on what? Now, the profit should be there. Okay, the next one is what? It is a yardstick to measure the performance, in the sense what? Every year on year how they are performing, can be measured on basis of what? Now, profit, how much they are earning profit year on year or quarterly basis. So that is called as what? Now, yardstick to measure the performance. The next one is what? It indicates when a firm is maximizing its profit, it is indicating the efficient use of funds, in the sense whatever they have the inflow, okay, they are using it properly. Okay, that is what it is indicating. Profit maximization goal ensures efficient use of available funds. Thus a firm which aims to maximize profit has to optimum use of resources, in the sense they have to reduce, okay, their cost, so to increase the profit. Clear? The next one is what? It ensures social welfare. Actually this is a contradictory thing. Okay, we'll not take this in point. Okay, it attracts fund from investors. Say for example, if the company is having more profit, investors will try to invest in such kind of a companies, not in the loss companies. So it is what? It is attracting funds from the investors. Then it acts as a guide for financial decisions. If you are earning more sort of profit, it will act as a financial decision, okay, for you people. If you have more profit, you will think of expansion, you will think of growth. So that is what? Financial decision. Okay, demerits or arguments against profit maximization, that is also called as what? Now, criticism. Will take in the next video, so it will be good for me to upload it. Thank you.